Hello, all. Welcome to chapter 3 from the book of Exodus. In the beginning of this chapter, we see that Moses is keeping the flock of Jethro, his father in law, the priest of Midian. Jethro is the same person whose name was Reuel in the last chapter. As Moses led the flock and came to the mountain of God, that is Horeb, the angel of the Lord appeared to him in a flame of fire out of the midst of a bush. Again, we see the name of the mountain called as Horeb. It is the same mountain which will be referred to as Mount Sinai in the coming chapters. Coming back to this chapter, we then see Moses saw that the bush was on fire, but the bush was not consumed, and Moses comes near to see it. When Moses came closer, God called him and said, Moses, Moses. And Moses said, Here I am. God asked Moses to remove his shoes, as the ground where he stood was holy ground. God said to Moses that he is the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, and Moses hid his face because he was afraid to look at God. God says to Moses that he has heard the cry of his people and he has come down to deliver them. God says that he will take them to a land flowing with milk and honey. We then see God says to Moses that he will send Moses to Pharaoh to start the Exodus. Moses doubts in himself. However, Moses is promised that he will successfully return with God's people to the very mountain where he is standing right now. Moses says, when he is asked by his people who has sent him, then what should he say? God replied to Moses, I am who I am. This is what you are to say to the Israelites. I am has sent me to you. God does not give his name to Moses. He just says, I am. In the New Testament, where we read all about Lord Jesus, the Jews are arguing and talking with Jesus. And in that conversation, Lord Jesus says, before Abraham was, I am. He claims to be I am. And when the Jews heard Jesus say that he is God himself, they picked up stones to punish him for this blasphemy. Coming back to this chapter, God then says to Moses to contact the elders of Israel and inform them that he will help them out of Egypt. God says that Pharaoh will not let him go, but he will stretch his hand and smite them, that he will finally agree. God also informs that the Israelites will not come out empty handed, but will come out with jewels, gold, and raiment. This is how the chapter ends. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Until next time, may God be with us all. Bye bye.